What causes intermittent autopilot problems after installation? Imagine cruising smoothly one moment and then suddenly fighting the autopilot the next. That kind of unpredictability can be frustrating, but understanding what causes these issues can help you fix them quickly. When autopilot problems happen after installation, the first thing to check is the wiring. Loose or faulty connections to the control unit or motor can cause power drops that make the autopilot lose its heading or stop working. These connections can loosen over time or if they weren't secured tightly during installation. Next, if your boat uses hydraulic steering, air trapped in the hydraulic lines can cause the autopilot to behave erratically. Air bubbles make the system less responsive, leading to sudden jerks or inconsistent steering. Bleeding the hydraulic system to remove air is a simple fix that often solves this problem. Another common cause is sensor misalignment. The rudder feedback sensor tells the autopilot where the rudder is positioned. If it's not aligned correctly or malfunctions, the autopilot gets confused about the boat's actual heading. Proper calibration and sensor checks are essential here. Sometimes, the autopilot's gain and sensitivity settings are not suited for your boat or sea conditions. Factory default settings might be too sensitive or not sensitive enough, especially in rough waters or strong currents. Adjusting these settings can improve performance and reduce intermittent issues. Power supply problems are also a big factor. The autopilot control unit needs a steady voltage and enough amperage to run smoothly. Fluctuations or weak power sources can cause the system to reset or behave unpredictably. Using a dedicated power circuit and checking voltage levels regularly helps keep things stable. Faulty electronics within the autopilot control unit or related components can also cause sporadic problems. Sometimes, hardware glitches or aging electronics need replacement or repair. Lastly, imbalanced steering cylinders or missing accessories can cause instability. Some autopilot systems requiring additional hardware to handle imbalanced loads. Without these, the autopilot might struggle to maintain a steady course. To fix these issues, start by inspecting all wiring and connectors, then bleed the hydraulic lines if needed. Calibrate sensors properly and adjust gain settings for your conditions. Make sure your electrical system is stable and provides enough power. Regular maintenance and correct installation are key to keeping your autopilot working smoothly. Addressing these common causes can help you enjoy a more reliable autopilot experience on your boat.